Introducing Unocosa's 8-inch cast iron tortilla press, pre-seasoned and ready to go, delivering perfectly pressed dough every time with sleek, level surface. It's heavy-duty, durable, and multi-purpose, turning flour into tortillas, burritos, rotis, chapatis, and more fast enough for busy weeknights. You also get 100 parchment papers and helpful ebook filled with ideas. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Stablo Roti Maker, a 21st century kitchen ally that turns dough into perfect circles every time. This 24cm machine features non-stick plates for easy cleaning, a removable handle for simple storage, and a sturdy stainless steel case built to last. It even includes a roti warmer with a temperature regulator, so chapatis stay warm and crispy. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience precision cooking with the premium cast iron tortilla press. This heavy-duty 8-inch press delivers uniform, restaurant-quality corn tortillas in seconds, whether you're crafting tacos, wraps, or flatbreads. Built from durable cast iron, it features thicker handle and reinforced edges, plus steady groove design to minimize breakage. Easy to press, easy to clean, and perfect for family dinners or party nights. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Imagine perfectly pressed tortillas every time, thanks to this 25cm cast iron tortilla press. Pre-seasoned and built to last, it bravely handles burritos, tacos, roti, patacones, and more, turning dough into delicate shells with ease. Included is a comprehensive book of around 50 recipes and clear care instructions to keep your press blazing for years. Outstanding customer service backs your purchase, ready to help around the clock. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience restaurant quality at home with the high-tech tech tortilla press maker, a 4-in-1 adjustable marvel that seals and cooks wraps in minutes. Choose 4 sizes, 4, 6, 8, or 10 inches, and transform tortillas into burritos, tacos, quesadillas, dumplings, calzones, and more, thanks to its versatile design and non-stick coating for effortless release. Built for safety and convenience with cool touch handles and stable bases, your reliable kitchen partner. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Lift the kitchen game with this sturdy tortilla press, crafted in robust aluminum for reliable, long-lasting performance. From flour to quesadillas, it delivers evenly pressed tortillas and rotis every time, while its simple, user-friendly design makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to easy parchment paper use and thoughtful safety in mind. Create fresh, authentic Indian and Mexican favorites at home. Confidence and speed. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Victoria Tortilla Press, a 30cm, no 20cm professional patacone crafted in indestructible HD cast iron. It seals dough evenly, prevents pinching, and lets you craft tortillas, arepas, quesadillas, patacones, and more with restaurant-level consistency. Simple to use, easy to clean, and seasoned with 100% flaxseed oil, kosher certified, ready to go straight from the box. Durable, sustainable choice designed to last lifetime and beyond. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.